You must view this movie if you have 100,000 SHIB tokens. Shiba Inu is a digital currency that was introduced in August 2020 and was inspired by memes. It is an Ethereum blockchain-based, decentralized, community-driven token. Elon Musk tweeted about the coin, which led to a spike in demand and its price. Shiba Inu is well recognized for its low value, which enables investors to make tiny bets and maybe stand to gain a lot of the coin's value increases. Additionally, it has 1.28 million token holders who are on the rise. The most recent report, Shib is a meme-inspired coin and the rising number of holders reflects this. We shall discuss the Shiba Inu army in this video. You must view this movie if you have 100,000 SHIB tokens. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe to our channel to see our most recent articles on Shiba Inu price forecasts and professional analysis. Let's start the video now without further ado. Shiba Inu, a cryptocurrency based on a well-known meme, has been drawing investors and gaining acceptance in the cryptocurrency industry. According to the most recent estimate, there are already 1.28 million SHIB holders, which demonstrates the rising demand for the coin. The rise in popularity of SHIB among the crypto community is responsible for the rising number of holders due to its low price. Investors can make modest bets and possibly stand to gain substantial returns should the coin's value increase. According to recent data, the number of SHIB bearers has steadily increased over the last 4 days, with 1,282,000 holders. The number of holders fell to its lowest level on April 4th. But as of the writing of this article, there are now 1,285,000 of them. This means that the total number of SHIB holders has essentially always been around 128 million. Shiba Inu's market worth reportedly reached a high of $6.96 billion during today's early trading hours before declining to its current $6.81 billion. According to Being Crypto data, Shib's market cap growth occurred at the same time that the meme coin outpaced the overall market over the previous 24 hours. Within the previous day, the overall market capitalization of cryptocurrencies fell by 0.3%, with popular assets including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin and XRP all losing some of their value. Shiba Inu's successful performance is a result of recent community accomplishments. Shibarium, its Layer 2 network, saw the release of a beta version dubbed PuppyNet in March. The overall number of wallets connected to PuppyNet climbed this weekend from 4.5 million to 6 million, according to data that is currently accessible. Additionally, as of the time of publication, the network's transaction volume had topped 3 million. Shibarium's high activity level is advantageous for the token because it has raised the Shiba rate. According to Kyburn, 1.9 billion SHIB tokens have been destroyed during the last 7 days. Burning tokens can increase the price of the token by removing them from circulation, similar to stock buybacks. Kyburn is thus one of the elements driving up the price of cryptocurrencies. Shiba Inu long-term holdings have risen to a record high of 835,780. According to data, these addresses now make up 67% of all addresses holding memecoin. According to the statistics, this indicates that more and more investors may now consider digital assets to be attractive investments that may be retained for long-term gains. Investors hurried to buy Doge and shitcoins after Doge's value jumped as a result of the recent Twitter logo update, which has generated a stir in the cryptocurrency market. Shiba Inu also saw a significant increase, with its price climbing by an astounding 30% in just 1 hour. This development emphasizes how closely Dogecoin's pricing and trends resemble Shiba Inu's. Both coins have a similar history and have become well known in the meme token community. Additionally, because they are present in the same social media networks and communities, it is feasible for trends in one coin to influence the other. Shiba Inu has significantly increased in value as a result of the Doge effect, highlighting the influence of social media and community on the cryptocurrency market. Despite the asset's recent price collapse, Shiba Inu became one of the most well-known memecoins for a number of reasons. Many people made significant profits from its price changes in 2021, and some even resigned their employment after reaping rewards from small investments. Many people in the ecosystem continue to be fascinated by the tale of the truck driver who raised Shiba Inus and made $1.7 million in 2021 after investing $670 in memecoin in 2020 and making a fortune from it. A truck driver quit his job in May 2021. The driver became a millionaire, purchased Shib from 2020 to 2021, made enormous earnings, quit his job, and thus achieved his financial objectives. The driver made the decision to maintain his anonymity, but his employer came forward to commend him. The driver did it for safety's sake. The boss did still tweet, "One of my drivers departed because he made $1.7 million in cryptocurrency on a $670 investment. A nice man has children. Nothing matters. I'll still be angry about that for $500,000 a year." Bankers and attorneys toil away. Shiba Inu reached a trading high of 3,468 cents in May 2021. In October 2021, the meme coin quickly attained its all-time high of 8,845 cents. This idea, though, was short-lived. The current positive market mentality is to blame for the most recent increase. However, the cost of Shiba Inu has been constant for a while. Currently, the meme coin is trading 87.25% below its peak. Although the asset clearly generated enormous riches for its owners, it is no longer the same. 62% of meme coin holders lost money. According to Inside the Block at Shiba Inu's current pricing, only a paltry 33% were raking in profits. Shib is currently experiencing a price slump, but prior successes have given the market new life. The cryptocurrency business is a sector that has a lot of projects that move quickly. Many blockchain initiatives view their standing on the global scale as Shiba Inu, which recently surpassed a stablecoin controlled by Binance, is one example. With only $1 million more in market valuation, the Shib token is placed 13th position higher than USD meme coins. Agiant puts the 24-hour trade volume at over $322 million, indicating a sustained price increase. While Shib 30-day monthly growth has recently climbed by 6.36%, its 7-day price performance has increased by 4.93%, with a coin market cap of $6.7 billion. Number 13 in the current ranking surpasses Binance USD to take the top spot, while Binance is approaching the $6.6 billion range. Technical indications for digital assets suggest that the asset may be on a solid rising surge. With a 200-day MA indicated price of $64, the asset's current price above its 50-day moving average value of 112 cents. This bullish run was furthered when the coin experienced its last significant drop after the scandal, which resulted in a significant slump for all cryptocurrencies. Other technical signals suggest that now might be an excellent moment to enter the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The dogecoin killer is currently in the underbody area. According to its relative strength index, which has an indicator value of 52.61, investors can purchase Shib and gain market value. Similarly, the blue trend line is pushing upwards on the moving average divergence, after taking a plunge a few days previously. However, considering that the purchase signal is still being partially implemented, this might easily change to the sale zone. The price of the Shib community's token has been favorably impacted by a number of whale activities. A significant cryptocurrency investor in the meme-based digital token Shiba Inu has raised their holdings to approximately 5 trillion tokens as a result of the Shibarium metaverse announcement earlier this week. They were able to do this by making 4 different purchases totaling $1.88 million for an additional 171.68 billion Shib. This is thought to have easily affected the increase in the coin's market cap. It should be noticed that the sizable purchase was made a few hours before the Shibarium announcement. This action has stirred both the Shib community and the cryptocurrency market, indicating insider information on the blockchain Shibarium. A Shiba Inu concept intends to provide non-fungible currencies for gaming and virtual property. The day is over. Now remember to give it a big thumbs up to view our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.